Mia was exhausted from working 9 hours a week. When her friend called on April 3rd to invite her out to celebrate World Party Day, she was reluctant. However, he persuaded her that she deserved a chance to unwind and have fun. After freshening up, she headed out to meet her friends with an open mind. World Party Day started in the early 2000s to promote light-hearted revelry and enjoyment of life pleasures. Its originators wanted people to take a break from their busy schedules and daily stresses to connect with friends and engage in festive activities. Life moves fast, so World Party Day serves as an important reminder for people to slow down, let loose, and make the most of the present moment. While some may see World Party Day as an excuse for irresponsible behavior, at its heart it is about finding balance in life. Hard work and responsibilities are important, but leisure and enjoying are equally vital. World Party Day encourages people to tap into their carefree spirit, socialize, try new experiences, and cherish the simple gift of being alive and able to enjoy the world around them. Mia's friends had a full night planned to celebrate World Party Day. They started at an arcade bar, challenging each other at vintage video games with cocktails in hand. From there, they went to their favorite dance club, not caring how silly they looked, just moving to the music. At a late-night diner, they ordered milkshakes and fries, laughing and chattering for hours. So tired at the end of the long night, Mia felt lighter and more connected to her friends. She realized how much she had needed to unwind and experience unadulterated joy. The stresses waiting for her the next day no longer seemed as overwhelming. Her friend's invitation had been the remedy she didn't know she required. Around the globe, people celebrate World Party Day in diverse ways. Some throw dance parties or barbecues, go to amusement parks, or head to pubs and clubs with friends. Any activity that encourages light-hearted fun and community is the spirit of the day. Overall, World Party Day serves its purpose well, motivating people everywhere to pause their routine and embrace life's pleasures with the special people in their lives. After all work and no play is no way to live. April 3rd is World Party Day, or P-Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful World Party Day. Cheers!